When Joe Rogan tells millions of listeners that
and they never have to worry about soft tissue injuries because they heal like you're a fucking 6-year-old.
Right.
You know, you just your body just like
You're like Wolverine.
yeah. Oh yeah, man. Well, that's the thing about peptides too. The Wolverine Stack, BP-157 and TB-500. I don't know if you ever get injured.
it generated millions of dollars in market demand. Then you had aggressive wellness companies try to do the same exact thing, and now we've gone from viral marketing into federal crimes. The FDA didn't just red flag BPC-157. They threw it into the regulatory black pit. They called it the Category 2 bulk compounding list. So, was BPC-157 a misunderstood underdog? Or is it a ticking time bomb that you need to worry about today? So let's talk about the myth versus the science and talk about why the evidence failed. The fact is that BPC-157, or Body Protection Compound 157, is a synthetic sequence based on a protein found in human stomach juice. On podcasts and social media, it's being touted as the ultimate biohacking weapon for gut and tendon repair. What are they basing this on? They're basing this on promising rodent studies that showed rapid blood vessel growth and tissue regeneration. But here's the legal reality. Rodent data is not human proof. We've seen this multiple times. Short-term animal models fail to establish human safety, proper dosing, or long-term efficacy. We've seen that in many, many cases. Here's the other truth. Synthetic peptides carry real immunogenicity risks. Injecting uncharacterized peptide sequences into your bloodstream can trigger an immune response. Things like severe injection site reactions or unforeseen tissue proliferation. To bypass these multi-million-dollar, or some might say multi-billion-dollar FDA clinical trials, wellness clinics and compounding pharmacies relied on Section 503A of the Food, Drugs, and Cosmetics Act. They compounded BPC-157 in bulk and distributed it as an approved pharmaceutical.
Enjoying our content? We'd love to hear more. Please like, comment, share, and find more.
Recognizing the safety unknowns, the FDA placed BPC-157 on its Category 2 bulk list. That is a regulatory dead zone. It's indicated for substances with significant safety risks where the compounding is strictly prohibited. But then there was drama. The story took a wild turn. Under immense political pressure and influencer lobbying, the FDA's Pharmacy Compounding Advisory Committee, or PCAC, reconsidered BPC-157. What they did was they added new panel members. These panel members had pharmacy industry ties joining the committee. Not pharma, pharmacy. The FDA's own staff stood firm. They warned that BPC-157 lacks basic quality standards and human safety verification. In a tense, razor-thin 8-6 split vote, the PCAC recommended adding BPC-157 to the 503A bulk list for specific indications like ulcerative colitis. I have no idea what the basis of this is. However, an advisory vote is not FDA approval. Selling unapproved, misbranded peptides online creates massive legal exposure under failure to warn doctrines and unapproved new drug rules. So, if you operate a healthcare practice or a wellness clinic or life sciences brand, stop relying on influencer hype for your compliance strategy. Audit your own product lines, look at your own marketing claims, and avoid unapproved new drug and misbranding exposure. If you're a patient, verify your sources, consult a licensed practitioner before taking unapproved compounded injections. Want to know which wellness peptides are facing FDA enforcement chopping blocks next? Drop a comment below, subscribe, and follow along on Darshan Talks. Call, click, or email